So, like 1,000 rivets. 1,085 rivets. You want to see where those are at? From here to there. All this. Just this. Not even this edge. Just all these. And to this edge right here. That's it. 1,000 freaking rivets. Now you know why I'm fucking pulling my goddamn hair out. I got a lot more to do. All right. Some of you were confused. Obviously, there's a lot more people figuring out what the hell I'm going on because the algorithm is sending it out to everybody. This is what I'm doing. This is a Sky Crane model from Vario that I have heavily modified over the last 12 years trying to get it done. It does fly. It's very expensive. Runs on a 15 horse motor. And right now it's sitting on its side so that I can easily do all the rivets that I've been talking about here lately. Just on this section from here all the way down to here and then up this side of the tail. It's the only way I can really get it on here and be able to comfortably sit here and methodically put all these stupid rivets on here. Let me get it a close up in here as to what we're doing. I can zoom out and put it really close. That actually looks a lot better. Gives you a good contrast. So these are all glue rivets, and I'm using the RC56 canopy glue or Formula 560 canopy glue on here. A couple of you have asked about it. You can get this at your local hobby stop. See what this has done to me? Screwed me all the way up. But you can see all these on here. So this is the actual side of the Sky Crane because I have it sitting on its side so that I can easily get this. So there is a picture. There's a video. See? This is what it does to you. And you can see I've been doing all these rivets and all this stuff, forever. The whole front is done. This whole side is done. The bottom is done up to this line. So all the lines that you're seeing here don't have any rivets on them yet. And there is a bazillion lines on the bottom side of this helicopter. So there's nothing. It's like, you're not even going to see it. Yeah, well, I'm going to see it in my brain. So what I'm going to try to do now that I'm done with this section all the way through here, is I'm going to roll it on its back so that this side will be up, and we're going to start working on all these right here because that's a lot of rivets. Yeah. The plan is take this off and put it back on its Lazy Susan table back behind there. Change out the blocks so it will sit on the top, and then put it back on there. Hopefully this goes well, but we'll see. So it's not really heavy. It's awkward. It's very, very awkward. First part. Okay. I've got these particular blocks are for when it's on its side. And I have other blocks. Yep, back there. So, yep. This one here. I need that one there. Approximately. Pick up the metal pieces that I need to be working on. Okay, what's neat about this particular Lazy Susan is this thing slides out and I can spin it around and get it into whatever position I need it to be. I think I spent more time working on this Lazy Susan than I do working on this. Yeah, so here we go. All right, we're gonna pick this thing up. And we're going to roll it onto its back. Oh, there go the batteries. And there it is. And everything is going to sit. And there. Now we can start working on this whole section right here. Just because it's really easy, and that's what I need to do to get all these things done in the next 158 days. Hopefully. All right, and so this is what we're going to be working on. We got rivets, and then we have no rivets. So these are all the lines that I have to go through and do, and there's some bigger ones that go around these spots here. There is all the rivets that have to go on the bottom side of the legs, the main gear legs. Got to put all those on. But yeah, this is just like low-hanging fruit and just get it done. So that's what we're going to be working on. So for you new guys that are in here going, what the hell is this thing? That's what it is. It's a giant sky crane. It is about 40 pounds. It has a rotor diameter of 2 meters. The whole thing is, I'd say, I think I measured it out at 87 inches long from nose to tail, not including the blades and all that other kind of good stuff. So, gives you a rough estimate as to how big this damn thing is. And it's awkward. So, but anyway, all right. We're working towards getting this done for Ohio. And that's what we're doing. So, all right, get out there and build something.